This is a neat and super sugary activity you can do with your kids to help them understand what a wetland is and how wetlands work. First, you're going to start off with a brownie. We're using a chocolate brownie Cliff Bar here to represent the soil base of our wetland. If you have a group of kids, it may be easier to use a whole tray of brownies or a chocolate cake and let them all work on it together. Next, we're going to add some chocolate pudding, which represents a layer of mud. Some other names for wetlands are marsh, swamp, lagoon, floodplain, and all of these have plenty of muddy areas. We're also going to sprinkle a decent amount of graham cracker crumbs over the pudding to indicate topsoil and sand. Wetland areas are often found around waterways, like your local lakes, ponds, deltas, and reefs. That's why we're going to use this blue decorating frosting to draw a little river and lake on top of our crushed up graham crackers. As water from streams, and even rainstorm runoff, enters your wetland, the water spreads out and flows through dense vegetation. Some of the vegetation we have for our wetland are these green sour apple rips, which represent aquatic plants such as sea grass, water lilies, and cattails. We're going to just put this right into our water. We're also going to add a little bit of green sprinkles to look like grass, and a couple pink and purple Nerds candies for wildflowers. So, as your water flows through the wetland flora or plant life, the suspended materials and pollutants will settle, and some of the sediment will attach to the roots of these wetland plants. We also have some Dots candy to act as our riparian shrubs and bushes. And these lollipops are going to be trees. These plants can help to remove extra nutrients, like nitrates and phosphates. Some of the most common wetland vegetation found on Campo Reservation are cottonwood and willow trees, and bulrushes, which are sometimes called tule. Besides improving water quality, wetlands also provide important habitat for many threatened and endangered species. You can find all kinds of fauna, or wildlife, in a wetland. There are ducks, deer, rabbits, turtles, frogs and toads, dragonflies, worms, and lots of fish. The wildlife we have for our wetland are these little goldfish for in our lake, and a couple of gummy bears and animal crackers to go around the edges. And that is how we build our own edible wetland. Enjoy!